Welcome to OneCart. In this video, we'll show you how to use the inbound stock feature to efficiently bulk upload new stock quantities and automatically update your inventory. Let's get started. Start by navigating to Add Inventory and selecting Inbound Stocks. Once you're on the Inbound Stocks page, click New Inbound Stock and then select Download Sample. The downloaded sample is a 2-column file. Column A is labeled Variant SKU, which refers to the single SKU in one cart. Column B is labeled Quantity on Hand, which represents the number of newly arrived items for each SKU. It's important to note that the quantity on hand in your file will be added to the existing quantities for each SKU in one cart. Fill in the file with the relevant SKUs and quantities for your inbound stocks, then save the file in CSV format. Now return to the inbound stock page in OneCart. Click on Choose File, upload your completed CSV, give the upload event a name under the name field. Then click Save. If your upload was successful, you'll see a confirmation message appear on your screen. Click OK to proceed. By default, your upload will be listed as pending. To confirm the upload, click on View. Next to the event and select Confirm Inbound Stock. Once confirmed, OneCart will automatically add the quantities specified in your file to the existing quantities in the system. After confirming, OneCart will calculate the updated quantities in real time and push these adjusted numbers to your connected listings, provided the SKUs are toggled to on. And that's it. With the inbound stock feature, you save time and avoid manual calculations as OneCart updates your inventory. For more tutorials or support, visit our help center or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.